Everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel from our home to yours. Today we are going to see how we celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi on August 22nd, 2020. We have a very good collection of Lord Ganesha's Vigrahas made out of clay and 5 metals and different white metal and some other small Ganeshas made with different type of materials. On the top we put Ganesha made out of clay and the Kalash with 9 mango leaves representing Navagrahas, and next to that in a small branch of the people tree, and the banana leaf and the sugarcane plant leaf, they show multiplying of the generations. So I put that way our family will multiply with Lord Ganesha's blessing. And another Ganesha made up out of Navadanya, 9 grains representing again 9 planets. And we make Ganesha with turmeric for any occasion or any celebrations. First thing we make Lord Ganesha, the turmeric Ganesha. Just we can make it like a triangle and put the dur grass or arhampul. So I put the plant also, the dur grass plant here, and I kept palm leaf plant representing goddess Lakshmi and Tulasi plants too, again representing goddess Lakshmi, and neem tree plant that represents goddess Shakti, mother of Lord Ganesha. And another thing about Lord Ganesha, he is the simplest god in the Hindu religion. He doesn't need big temple or fancy roof or nothing. So he can stay under the people's tree on the bank of a river or any tank. So anybody can go and get the blessing from him. So no temple closing time or opening time, even with the COVID time, so we can go and get the blessing. He is very, very simple. And the Ganeshas have with Nagabharana, that means the snake tied around his belly. If we worship that Ganesha with the snake Nagabharanam, he will get rid of all the doshams like a Ragu Kedu, all any doshams or evil things. So he will get rid of it. And another Ganesha we have, he is made out of white ericum poo. The ericum flower, that is known as mantra flower or Calotropis gigantea. So this is the flower, the plant, and then the flower. That Ganesha is made out of the root of this plant, and he loves this flower. So we don't need to spend so much to worship Lord Ganesha. And another Ganesha I want to show, he is called Kandishti. So we keep this Ganesha in front of the house, so he will get rid of all the evil, negativity and evil eye. So this Ganesha is very important. When we make and keep the turmeric Ganesha, so the turmeric purifies and get rid of the negativity, and same time turmeric is antifungal, antivirus, anti germs, so it's very healthy. So Hindu religion, not only religion, it teaches all the scientific matters, so to have our life nice and easy, and it teaches us to live with the nature, not to destroy or pollute the environment. So all the plants and animals we worship and we don't want to hurt them, and especially Ganesha is made out of clay and turmeric. They are biodegradable, so it won't pollute the environment. So we go put the Ganesha in the water, the ocean or river, so that way it goes back to the earth, so it won't pollute. So Lord Ganesha, we pray to Lord Ganesha to get rid of all the obstacles and give us blessings. Thank you for watching the video. May Lord Ganesha bless us all. Namaste. Shubha Mangal.